In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on all chat notifications on Zoom. If you use Zoom to coordinate with your team, turning on an audible alert for new chat messages helps you catch important updates the moment they arrive, even when you're not staring at the Zoom window. We'll do this right from the Zoom desktop app, and it only takes a minute. Start by opening Zoom and looking to the upper right corner of the app window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open your account menu. This menu is where you manage your account details and, most importantly for today, where you access your preferences. From that menu, click Settings. You'll recognize it by the small gear icon. Settings is the control center for Zoom, where you can adjust audio, video, and, in our case, how and when Zoom notifies you. Inside Settings, find and click Notifications and Sound. This section gathers all the alert options into one place so you can fine-tune how Zoom gets your attention. It's especially useful if you multitask or keep Zoom running in the background while you work. Now, look for the option labeled Play New Chat Message Sound. Turn this on. With this switch enabled, Zoom will play a sound whenever a new chat message comes in. That includes one-on-one messages and group conversations, helping you respond quickly without constantly checking the chat panel. It's a simple change, but it makes a big difference in staying on top of ongoing discussions. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. The sound follows your computer's volume and any do not disturb or focus settings. If you don't hear anything after turning it on, check that your system volume isn't muted and that a focus mode isn't silencing notifications. If you share a space or run meetings often, consider using headphones so you can hear alerts without distracting others. And if you ever feel the alerts are too frequent, you can return to the same place and toggle it off, or adjust your broader notification habits to match your workflow. That's all you need. Click your profile in the upper right, open Settings, go to Notifications and Sound, and turn on Play New Chat Message Sound. With that set, you'll be notified the instant a chat lands, keeping you responsive and in sync with your team. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected Zoom experience.